So now we're going to be doing the license plates on this 2016 Tiguan, and it's pretty easy to get to. We already replaced this side, as you can see. It already has the white LED, and we're going to be replacing the halogen version, okay? So what you're going to do, this uses the T10s. You want to start from this side, okay? These are actually rubber, like a thick rubber, and all you got to do is get a flat head, anything that you can put under here, and you really want to keep it right in the center, okay? Because when you push it in, there's a little clip here that you're gonna compress inwards and then pry out, okay? So it'll be like this. Just like that, okay? And that's where you want to put it in. You want to push this inwards. And once you push that in, it just pops out instantly, okay? Another thing to do, just to be safe, is I always disconnect it. So just disconnect that. Yeah, like that you avoid shorting out anything. And then here's your actual bulb right here, okay? That's gonna be your T10. If you can get it with your nail, just pop it out. If not, same thing, just use the prying. Push it out a little bit. And it just pops out. And now you're gonna get your new LED, put it in. Make sure it's straight. Okay, and at that point you can connect it and test. Can you light it up, please? And there you go. And at that point you can just remember this side, this first, last. Put this part last. You want to start from here, okay? Put it inwards, push it, and you're done. So that's all it is to this vehicle. Get it done easy. So if you guys have any questions, concerns, please let us know, and we'll be more than happy to help you out.